This Bandletic Garmin Fenix 6X and 7X Pro bands stands out for its broad compatibility across many larger Garmin multisport and outdoor watches, making it a versatile replacement option if you own several devices. The upgraded N54 magnetic closure feels noticeably stronger than older magnetic bands, so the watch stays put during running, gym work, and rough outdoor use without needing constant readjustment. Bandletic's revised buckle design combines a hidden metal fastener with the magnets, which makes the band quick to put on, easy to fine-tune on the wrist, and very resistant to accidental slips. The soft silicone material is impressively comfortable for all-day wear, remaining lightweight even on a big Fenix case and avoiding the stiffness that some rubbery straps develop over time. Perforated, two-tone styling with small square accents gives the band a more refined look than a plain sport strap, while also improving airflow so sweat does not build up under the watch. Because the band is water-resistant, dust-resistant, and tear-resistant, it handles everything from daily office wear to sweaty training sessions and swims without showing much wear.